To na the way we wanna take the area, Ajabo, why you dey zoo? You know say if una come Facebook, una dey say una dey Ayelala, una dey Okonorwe, una dey Otonorwe, una dey this thing. People go come dey say una dey Ayelala, una dey Okonorwe. Make people come dey shake. People when dey court no dey talk. People when they talk, they court no dey talk. I hear say una dey talk say they say me Enogie not do live video again, me Enogie not come out again. Enogie caught people as una talk. As far as Enogie dey court or meeting, the meeting people, they are going to protect their own. Now they do so. If it true happen, the meeting people go protect their own. Una omiti people. They don't feel protect una. Ozuo. Na me tell I tell the small boy me enter house. You self, to even go Nigeria self, Ajebo. You yourself, you go hold your head. Una don't know. You know, say if una don't come, una just dey shout. I dey secret cut. I dey cut. I dey this one cut. I dey this one cut. I dey this one cut. People can't just dey feel say una true dey cut. I dey cut. Now we true know say Enogie dey cut. Enogie dey meaty. Now so it be. Now so it dey be. Why me I know the zuzu for Facebook? Now because I day one, I make me know the zuzu. Because I know say one day they go tell me say, yeah, madam, I not be like this, so Now so they know who they. If you did something when people say it belongs to this thing, to heart. You get the way where they do the issue. Just they run, they enter the issue like that. Nyanga. Now this one people go tell no for Facebook say Enogie na baba. Enogie true dey that area. He never. You see these people, they are so foolish. They don't even know how system work. It's good to go to school. This is namye Yahoo FA Ozuo. You now know say you know they anywhere. Now I not get I be baba. I mean, guys, I go come out, come run this. Don't say I still get Qatar. Say fever they worry me is money. I never get up. Now just manage get up. Now we know say Enogie na baba. Now this one we dey talk. And you now to go Nigeria now you yourself go dey fear. Because you feel lost your head on top of your shoulder. You don't know. Now people come Facebook, they say, I did this one, I did Oye, I did Okwo, I did this one, I did this one. If I know they talk sometimes, I know they look now. Now their own. All of them when they shout for Facebook say, Enogie not come out again, Enogie not come out again, Enogie not come out again. Now so they be. When you see say, these people no go school. Now made they talk say these people why school. All those courts when you they see so now school neither for they enter. Now school, if you go school, if you blend, say for example that year when we say we day school, be like say if you want come out for our track, they feel suspend you. You know say not let that one neither go let you know say yes. Now we get you. Now so that they do one. Which one I got the shout for Facebook say, hey, they don't suspect, they don't give. Now so that they do one. So people, when they go secondary school, see reach today from secondary school, they want court for secondary school, can't reach today. From that court, they enter university. Even if they don't go university, that court still they exist. Can't reach today. If you do nyanga thing, my love, good evening, how you dey? If you dey do nyanga, they see say people dey all over you. You know what? They go keep you aside. They go protect you. Now protection, now they protect and so now they protect Enogie so. Because they know say, una they fight Enogie. There is nobody when go dey secret court. When people go they fight, the secret court go join the people. They fight their own. They. Only waiting they go do. Now to just say, they go tell us, oh yeah, they go hide down to protect him. And now you school, you people should go to school. No, they not go school. They not go anywhere. They go to shy. I beg you. And see you now. Upon how you dey shout reach, oh, I dey court, I go do you, I go do you, I go do you. You not dey court. How we say you dey court now? Your secret court when you dey. Eh? They go suspend you. Suspend you no me say you no dey with it. Dey with them. Now protect, now they protect you. Now so they be. You see you now you be even disgrace. You be disgrace. All of una when be say una true dey this thing. All of una when be say una true dey. They go suspend all of una to protect una. They not go school. We when we go school that year. Now inside school, inside secondary school. Now they blend ourselves enter. Can't reach today. It not mean say you. Some people they don't come out for country for years back. But the people when they together, they still they talk to themselves. They still they do things together. They confessing you now. Is it not a disgrace to you now, Japan? I'm near your welfare, so you not there anywhere. Hey, never oh. Now where they keep out that day. You not even there anywhere. So you not there to flash cap. You not there anywhere to flash cap. We know that cap now. To flash cap. You will see say people when did that we know they quick flash cap. No, when not there, no, carry cap, they go put on like this, carry cap, they go put on like this. People they to flash cap sometimes if you wear cap, you see say people want to know say you did that thing. You will get the way when you did remove that cap. You know true cap, they go know who did that place. If you wear cap, you know see the day when I dey dress, as I wear my red cap, I don't want make people know say Mama Lovely did that area. Now I'm change the cap. But I don't see her. If people when they go know say this woman did this thing. I remove the cap. The way when I be want to do my cap, the way when I be want to flash on. I remove that red cap. I use the red cap. I sit down and wear. But people don't understand. Say why Mama Lovely do this cap like this? Because when you wear the cap, you flash on. People when you know go know say, oh, this one you want bring our signature come out. Now I use the cap. I can't do that red cap that day. You can't get the way when I take one. But people when read that there from the beginning, we know not be this small one they do. Not be this small one. You know, people when they wear the cap. Now once they take, they know. If you wear now, people when they with you, when they there with you, go see out the way when you take wear cap. People when they there, they know. You know. Even Mugu now when you go see say people when you did that place that they wear cap like that. You want me they wear like that. And two person will come to say, this cap when they wear you, they won't greet you. When they'll come they greet you, the way when they'll come they greet you, you know they respond where. Now that time they'll tell you say, this one a Mugu. We just say maybe now one of us when be say blend for another place. So you know say now so they be. You know, say to flash cap. You know, say some people now they'll come carry the cap, they'll come they wear it, they'll come they wear it. When you wear that cap, there is another way when be say they tell they greet themselves. But if they greet you like that, say you know they respond like that. Now then they'll tell you say, hey, this one now zoo. You just wear the cap like that. That is it. See you now. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Just let's not wear when you dey build out furniture and not feel build. And not when you feel do buy like not feel buy. Common union when be say. They say do the union, whether na prince na do the union, don't prince na carry the union come say made na come gather do the union, come on the union. You know fisty cocotu, no cocotu we him. You be here when not the cocotu, see orphanage home. See orphanage home when you they do yes. Am I money na my bienvenue like a primary school. Remains when they want enter secondary school. Orphanage home no Greek go front. Orphanage home no Greek go back. I doesn't know orphanage. Only one when be say I do with my people that day. As I throw one for Facebook, people call they say which day you do this one, which day you not do this one. Your own no. Nothing, you can never make it. Now me talking. Now come and I caught up with you. So to show say see how you know they anywhere. I make a nunaze. There is no place where people say you for they choose. Even and I can't tell them for Facebook say I'm not there any cut. No, why I quit or say not there any cut because these people don't know anything. Mugus. Mumu that they Facebook for them not to open Facebook. They don't they shout. I go kill you. Not good to kill you. Not good to kill you. Not good to kill you. The people don't take their own person. Now so they be. If they see say people they don't die you, only way they go do, they go chucky who now they fight. Now, so that is how they protect. Because we're my school or a normal life, secondary school now. Well, even when you are in primary school, safe. That for people they blend for primary school when they primary 6. If you enter secondary school, people they blend for secondary school. That is now school. And now through school, now they enter all those things. I don't know how not they enter. Now I can't bro. That thing when you did. I want to then okay, no that one way they need does before there. When I go put them for there, they can't put on for there. Now go Facebook data say I day inside, I day inside, I day inside. Now, una with Enogie no come through day inside now. Who come through day inside now? If una see their Facebook, they fool una self. Una no fit tell una say make una enter house. That means una not there anywhere. Oh, now had the light is like this. Oh, you know, this is not this kind of thing not they like. They go come Facebook say, I go tell you my cut. I go tell you say I dey cut. I go tell you say I dey cut. I go tell you say I dey cut. They come and they come they shout. They tell Enogie say Enogie not come. And now no how far. How far? They protect that guy for una. Now so it's supposed to be. That's what it's supposed to be. They protect him. They see so now they around that. They don't feel live. They don't feel live for there. Make una de solo or make una de fight. Now so it's supposed to be. Area Yahweh. I mean, that's when I come and get the shot and me do. You yourself, you know, say that Nigeria self, that Nigeria self. May you yourself be very careful. Anytime when you enter Nigeria now, oh. You yourself, when you now you're supposed to even come out now, go apologize to that place when be say Enogie day. If not, they go owe you ransom. Anytime when you reach Nigeria, go mark today day down. Go mark and down say, lovely ikyoya. So day like today now 6 November 2023. Go and mark it down. You safe now, you are not safe. I think you want Zuzu. You want to Zuzu. You for your mind say you safe. When you say member, they take their member, they take and come up for there, they keep on. They don't already judge your matter. They have already judged your case. They just protect her for the nuisance when they use until they commit. You know, the fight when they fight her. These people no go. Now from secondary school, now you go tell no. For secondary school. Okay, today now 7. Okay, yesterday was okay. Thank you, my love. I don't remember yesterday. This. You never told me when I wake up just now. I don't feel wake up. I sleep again. You know, this my category. The way they do me. Oh, this cut off. Yes, it must day. Holy joy must day. Even obodo you both they get her. So far, you know, too much use until they commit all those nuisance. It day. If you reach abroad now, they there, they there for inside prison. If you still reach, they will still live there. It day, or you both self even get her. Or you both get her. You know, also you both get all those mafia when they talk. What it is a debit? It say na pikine. Mafioso na pikine. Mafioso na pikine na. If you enter this thing now, go and come and say whether court, whether they exist. China get. If you see China, China people get. You don't see China addressing, you never see China addressing. You don't say, na be Mugu na. Na Mumu na be. They sit down for Facebook, they say, na me. Oh, number to call. So you don't follow me since you thought say you don't know my number. And then come, make I bring my phone, come. Instead for that, they shout. Oh, I bet my sister, help me put the number there. Sister, when they always call me every day, help me put the number before they are in charge. Sister, never run the number for you when I will go. Because I don't get that. No, these people, they don't know anything. They don't they shout. They don't. Okay, you have my number. I think you say number to call. Okay. Yeah. They sit down for this thing. They say, me not they do live video again. You don't know. At the point where they shall say, he go they wear cap. He go they wear cap. At the point they wear normal cap. At the point they wear normal cap. At the point no day. Person when he did that cap, did that this thing. From secondary school, they go. If you not enter university, you still there with them. You know? If they wear the cap, now once you tell no, who they go know? When you they wear cap, you yourself, your spirit, you yourself, you go there, your mind go they tell you, your spirit go they tell you, say, you they bring who you become at, and the people want to date together. They watch you, they date there, because you not gonna know whether they watch you, to flash it and to flash that cap. If you wear am, and you say you did that this thing, if you wear the cap, other people when they say that day or another one go no say this person did there. The way when you take wear the cap, then when you come see and you yourself go come to say, like make these people not go understand me, you quickly carry the cap, you go do am another way, you can't use that signal, you can't use them again. Ajaba, you when they shout. Okay, so okay. No, now this person be they talk about the number rock. Ajaba, you when okay. On the phone in our big Mumu, just see they call her wait my pick. Hello? How you day? Good day. We're fine. That's my mommy. I put her for speaker. They smell. I don't put her.
They smell. Everything like many people they rub mouth.
Yeah.
And someone come, then use and rub mouth. Cold season come again, then use and rub mouth. Illiteracy in a disease. Why if you say they only use anything good to rub mouth? That's also bad thing. Look at how they're coming out, conductors. Before, when they grow now, university people they join courts. Not be conductors when not speak English.
Yeah.
Disgrace. Now big disgrace. Whichever thing at your birthday, IK.
Nothing.
Then they, but now the conductor side they.
They not there. Now who there? Now people suspense so. Now so it be that time, mama. Now from secondary school, now that thing you go they blend yourself. Then if you not come enter university again, then you go still there with them. You know that means.
I just supposed to hide the face. That's when they sleep with married women. They shame. I better.
Very useless man.
Very useless. When they talk saying get paper, you don't come abroad for 1990. You see the talk say that they give you renew your paper. Shameless man.
He's a shameless fool.
They talk say that they renew paper. They shame from one country to another. When paper now passport supposed to they carry a back. Like they ask Enogie, we just come 11 years ago. Say you don't go airport. You never now. What if you do the airport? What if the airport?
Ask me, oh.
What if the airport? Very backward, illiterate people. What is airport? You know how many times I go on holiday every year? Sick men. Go and walk. Even if the people went there for that Europe, their brain only work well. Very shameless people. Since one person not supposed to post it, now they here for live video. See, for you to own an orphanage home, tell us what you are doing. Then give us history of where you have worked. Tell us who you are.
Yeah.
Look at your record. Your record are useless. Sleeping with married women. Dirty man. If they come out, they shame. I never see man will not get shame like that man.
Very useless man. He they shame. He they cover up his shame. He's a shameless man.
Now, person when they shame, he's supposed to get sober reflection about his life.
He they shame, oh.
Enogie, you say Enogie na small man. Enogie they send out with a talk say you don't sell and enter house. Why you not fighting? Why you not selling the money enter house? Now your mate be that. Now your mate be that the Murphy. Go and send them in. Go and send him in. Not be Enogie. You they compare with Enogie. Enogie I blame we go even join a competent. Because as that guy, they very intelligent, rich. What do you associate yourself with blind people?
Are they talking? If you, Mommy, are they talking? I thought say these people, they be tax illiterate. You don't need to do things with them. When you do things with them, you are off the line.
Enogie make mistake. As that guy is intelligent, if you hear Enogie speak English, well fluent. What you they dying with illiterate? Idiots. Ajabo they speak once and is.
Yeah.
Case is up and down. You tell you say they're educated. They don't get you for your hand because you look at people when you surround yourself with people who are not pass. They don't go school, drop out, stuck illiterates. Now they move with. See them now. Then you rub 1 year for your body up and down. You know, when you don't choose the right people to move with.
Yeah.
The right people to move with. And that is why if you associate yourself with Potty,
when you associate yourself with delinquents, this is the end of it because they are delinquents. I normally call them adult delinquents. Yeah.
Now the mistake when you make with that, when go associate yourself with very rubbish people,
Yeah.
See now, they won't really destroy career. You see? But they're not gonna fit because
do you know, Auntie, do you know what? They cannot destroy his career. Then the place where he belongs to, you know, he's not in Africa. He lives here in Europe. Then they have to protect him just to suspend him. You know? He's not in Africa. They can't spoil his career. These people you are seeing now, Ajabo should be very careful. Because Ajabo don't know the people that he's dealing with. He's dealing with people. People inside people. Now Ajabo they deal with. Now Ajabo feels what they deal with. And Ajabo, if they go Nigeria now, you have to be careful. You don't play with people when we say if you say people, you don't play with them. That's it.
It is suspended. How it is going to take up? I be not the Facebook they get money. How you want to take care for your children?
No, you know what? They don't even know the meaning of that suspend. Suspend for something they don't know. When those people suspend you, maybe people just write those papers that they are reading on social media there. That one is not really suspension paper. They will stop him not to do live video. Only what they will stop him, they will say, please stop making problem. Don't mention our name there again. Not let that one that will feel do, yeah.
Yes, I wasn't supposed to be that.
Yeah, that one.
If you are doing your problems, you don't ever mention that name.
Yeah.
You know, or don't wear any beret, or don't show off anything while you are doing that trouble.
Yeah.
You understand me? Yeah. Now, what is supposed to do?
They are the one putting it that way, Auntie. Those people didn't do that. What they are saying on social media, that's not the law. Now, social media, what do you call them just now? Adult delinquent. They are the one taking it to that side. That is not the way he exists.
Who can't type those papers? Who type all those things when they show up and that?
They can do it by themselves. They can do it by themselves. Sister, that place, maybe where I am now, I'm there. You are not there. Something that happened there. I'm not going to tell you. It's against the law. It's against the rules. I can't break the rules. Do you know what the secret court? Just like, the court. Anything that happened in the secret court, you are not my member. Yeah.
They break the news. That shows that not organized.
No, Auntie, they are just saying that. Enogie is inside. Enogie is inside. Not because of those things that they are saying. Make Enogie not to do live video. Enogie know what he's doing. Enogie is going to come out. Just watch.
Okay.
Yeah, Enogie is coming out. But you not there. You not there secret call food when they share for them. They will share and can't give you. It's not there possible.
I never see that kind,
no.
I never see that kind. I just want the person who don't sell and we succeeded in selling him. Idiot.
How can you sell him? That one Enogie making live video is not those people business. That is where Enogie gets his money. They can't stop Enogie not to do whatsoever he want to do on social media. Only what Enogie have to stop. When they are talking of Which court and you don't have to cease noise. You don't have to tell them this is how we do or this is how it happened there. You know, that's all.
You know, they recorded him. She said the one where they do themselves. They recorded him. Ivy was playing it on her live video. You don't ever see woman when they practice. Ivy misplaced priority. I never see Mumu.com like Ivy.
Do you know what? If your brothers, they are going to go for it. You wait. If your brother is going to go for it, you know why they are own. Everything that comes to their domot is somehow. I wish it's another city that have that kind of court something. If your brother will pay for it, that's how they do it. They're going to kidnap if your brother. They'll go to find them. They'll no get. Only waiting they will see. They will hang the head for this thing. New Benin market there.
It's not good, eh? That girl, the way that girl is pushing a lot of things, and they wonder whether that girl brain they work. Waiting woman not put mouth, and they put mouth. Then go boss with Asigidu. Then go boss with Sipaka. Then go boss with Ogboni. Then go boss with Juju. Then go boss with everything. What a madness.
And they're not there, oh. And they're not there that thing, oh. Whether they see, they're not there. They're not there. They're not there. Do you know what? I have one of Benin friend that time, sister. I think that guy there with there's 1 minute. There's 1 meeting that woman belongs to them. What's the name of that meeting again? Osokpi. Is it not Osokpi? I don't know. There's no meet. I don't know. Is it Osokpi? Or which one? I don't know. Then the girl. There is a one music this girl always sing, it's my Benin girlfriend. He always sing that music. I don't know that the music was is court music. One day, I sang the music. The guy come, he said, no, that I should not sing it too. I said, wow. He said, nah, in court music. I said, oh, sorry. I stop. If you dare, another person when not there, say it's a singer. They can never help you to raise that music. They're not going to help you raise the music.
Why is everything when they happen for your father's face, all the things when they belong to, then they come, they talk for live video. Is that what live video is all about?
They don't belong to people. Did you understand me now? I have a Benin friend. The Benin friend was one of those meaty. He always sing that music. Then one day, I sang that music. The Benin girl said that, sister, please stop. I said, what? He said, na meeting music. He said, I don't belong to that place. Say, there is some music when you go to play now, like Christian music. Maybe you they do something for inside house now. You they play Christian music. From there now, if you something enter my mind, I feel follow you, the singer. Then, when I want singer, the girl also make I no singer. Say, na meeting music, say I'm not supposed to sing because I know they the meeting. You see, those now so that they know the people when it dey all those meeting. Those people not belongs to meeting. These people that say that which one that belongs to the one where they burn the black powder. That one are meaty. Where they burn black powder, where they share chicken when no reach one picking chop.
It's crazy.
Good evening.
Help us.
There is nothing there. Now the people will not know how far. Now they make noise. Now people will not know how far. Now they make noise. If they make noise, sometimes I go to look them. I go to look them. Now so they be. They're not there anything. Now who they? Now you make a tell and say, no, we don't like. Because if you they fight, they do this thing when be say, sometimes they fight, say, they don't want they have to call you. They go call you, talk to you. Yes. Now this one they go tell no say Enogie true day because why they call Enogie Totoran. If Enogie decide not to do live video again, they not be they go stop Enogie. They cannot stop you not to do anything. Only what they don't want to do. Not put their name to the mold. Never put their name to the mold. That is what they don't take. But if you want to do other things, you can do it. But when people are fighting you, they will join hand and fight that people.
You understand? I understand now.
Yeah.
They don't get like to stop her for coming out for live video. My livelihood with that, eh?
No, they're not right to stop her, man. Okay, let's say for example,
Okay.
I be businesswoman. You be businesswoman. And they say something together because say I do something to just lock my shop. Say I'm not gonna come again. Not then. Now what of no.
I don't understand, though. I don't understand. I just glorify this yesterday. Don't come out with 4 times. Just they talk anyhow. This is just the.
Do you know the problem of Ajebo now? Do you know say Ajebo? You know say Ajebo now illiterate. Now illiteracy now in B. Ajebo is an illiterate fool. Illiterate bonfu now in B. Do you know what? If he say he push Enogie enter house, he not push Enogie enter house. If Ajebo continue now, you see that Ajebo orphanage home. Those people will make sure say, that orphanage home they will just take tonto. Sleepers night to run. They go deal with her. Nobody go enter the orphanage home again. No. What did they do for them? Nobody they know. What did they do for them? Nobody they know. Those are when they talk now story. They'll come print the paper, come and come bring them. Are you serious? That means say if not so that they do for their own, that means say they know they do and well. Not be so that they do that thing. That means say they know they do and well. They don't do it well. They can never join outside that to fight you. It's not possible. Now I make you be their person.
Wait there for this thing.
Mr. Waka, the network they break.
Oh, sorry.
Waka,
is it okay now?
yeah.
Is it okay now?
Yeah.
You know, it's just bad, you know. It's good anyway. Thank God say you don't explain to me because since yesterday, I just get worried. I said, I'll go to ban this boy from coming. The guy not find trouble. He avoided this trouble, but they not let him rest.
They know the band person may not do anything. Only what they go do. Only what it go do. They will take band and if they use the song to take they play, you know. If they use the song to take they play, now they go feel band you know. Yeah, now they will suspend. You know, they use and play. Now people get problem, you know. I will say, now Niger, now those people go they follow and they fight those people when they fight. Now so that they do. Now so if they be, they can never abandon you when people they pursue you. Not they possible. You know. You know, say anything when it comes to these people table, anything when it comes to these people table, they're too they foolish. They don't know anything. And Edo State is the most state where we say different secondary school day, even primary school, private school. Till now, these people they still be mugu. They still be mumu. You know, if they talk and they'll say, shut up, waiting you know. How can somebody will come and sister? Yeah. If we say that I didn't go to primary secondary school. In those days, how much is school fees? Even now, how much is school fees? Person go just come and go say, you know, go school. Did you see that those people, they are coming from a city? Doesn't mean that they are they owe Edo State. That is the capital of Edo State, that Benin City. Now they just claim on their own. All of them, they have their villages, so they do have their villages, They have their villages, they have their own community. They are just shouting on social media. The Benin City is for all the old Edo states. It's just like Lagos. Did you see it? Different Yoruba, different local government, they inside. When we say, all of them for come. And the secondary school, when they inside their villages, they don't feel go school, these people. That is why when they are doing things sometimes, people will be terrible. Say, why are they behaving like this? Why are they everywhere?
Like this. You know, so I don't say people don't go school. Now, when I see them for live video, now I know say they're not they go school,
That they go school?
I don't know, say them. I don't know. Now, when I begin to see a lot of illiterate, a lot of people speaking English, I said, I saw these many people be.
You don't know them.
They carry one cup for illiteracy.
Too much. Too much.
People carry one call for illiteracy.
Now they just say Bini, they not be Bini. They not be Bini. They get their own local this thing. As I be Ishan now, where for come for Ishan, my village get name. Different village get name. Then themselves get name. They get Yokoriomo, they get Ovia, they get Iguanyame, they get Igui sugarcane, they get to go Gyobo. Those are the villages where they inside Edo State. You know, the Benin city is for Edo State. That's the capital. But then they claim and say they be Benin. They don't be Benin. They're supposed to they call them for each village when they for come out. The people that really grow up inside Benin, now so it be. The people who grow up for inside Benin, when they say they get houses for inside Benin, they don't they behave like this. They don't they behave. Now the one when come from city, they live for Benin. Now then they behave like this. If you really see Benin there, when you grow for inside Benin, like new Benin there, you not follow them metro bow. You go. They're not the top of ordinary ground. When they follow you talk, the next thing a bottle, they go keep bottle. All those when they talk finish, they'll come to apologize. Real Benin person, if you offend, you know they can't apologize to you. When you grow for inside Benin. Yeah. I know them very well. I have a lot of friends there. They can keep secret for you. Those people, they don't keep secret. You see those ones. They are useless people.
I never see this kind one before,
They don't even know what is court. They don't know anything. Do you know they enter Azigidi? They enter Ukosika. If they see say you do something, they want to do it because why? They have jealous heart. They don't even know how this meeting work. They don't know how the meeting work. That is why you see most of they use less the name. How can the meeting person with meeting person they go they fight? You don't ever see.
I never seen that kind of thing before.
Anything when you talk for inside meeting there, they go close, put for inside the hall. They'll carry and come out. They're not there anyone. Even the VA when they shout, if you're not there anyone, you just they shout for Facebook. Tomorrow you go say it be Sango. Another day you go say it be sand. Another day you go say it be fire. Another day you go say it be Mami water. You don't ever see Mami water when black. You don't ever see Mami water when be like Maduma. If Enogie come, you know what? If Enogie is a talk writer, sister, he's a talk writer, he's a lie writer. If Enogie lie, the lie go enter say na truth. If Enogie is a liar. Auntie, thank you. Let me talk to this useless at the bar. Thank you so much. Yeah. Adebo, you know she said na disgrace to you now. You know she said na disgrace to you. You be one come and you be one come help yourself. You be one come tell people say you get power. Then you come and say, I tell you say I go drive and enter house. At the end of the day, you use stress it down and say you don't even dare anyone at all. Say you don't dare anyone. You know, see, and so you always they do. You will like to they help yourself. At the end of the day, who is here? Okay. Hello. You must your speaker. You did.
Good afternoon. I said, Mama, we talk be again.
Not be the villages what I for come. Well, Ben, I'm not going to now. That's the name of most of those villages. Ugo Gyobo, Ugwe Papa.
I know that I don't say I am with sugar cane. I never heard that one before. Anyway, that one. Me say this court of 18, sister. That the court person over put there.
No, you know if you thought that one. You just say the guy where they protect people.
Because let the kids are here now, You can't take my liberty from me. The best thing I will drop her. For me, if Nami be anybody, make God not even let me belong. Say, can all these things to be sincere. I dislike all this O2
Sister, you know it is, sister, you reason and go one way. Do you know why you reason and go one way? Maybe you say because they suspend you for a year, and they don't lock that place, say they lock you. No, they don't lock you. If you decide say you don't come on for there, then you can't come out. What if something happen to you, you won't run go meet. Then you have to abide to their law.
So okay, because anyway, that because this is very delicate. So because somebody come out, something must happen to the person. I don't understand.
No, not be say because you come out. You cannot see say one way because say one way lock. You see another way, You go wrong, go there. You must find a way out for that way because now that way, now that one near where you they go.
I'm not sure what you want. Who not just get the one way they go?
You not there now. Now, if you see anyway, if you see person when you go carry you enter there, you yourself go enter there.
Hey man, over my dead body, I can't.
Wait to be your contribution. Don't forget that one.
Now, I let me say it's very delicate. No, don't forget that one. Where they jubilate, say all these things happen, now it cost that. But I just really hope, say, Bebe, no, they decide this suspension. I really hope so.
Adeba not there now. Bebe, not there. Now their own people. You know what? See, now their own people. Now they take command for there. Now they are. It be like say you do somewhere now. Your children. Wait now. It be like say you do somewhere now. Your children dead there. You go leave your children. Go they take another person. Now all you go take run command for them. Now they are. Oh, now they take command for inside there.
I agree with you. You know, say this social media all day now. Everybody they do spy here and there. You cannot. You don't feel trust people again. Nobody even know who like person, who no like person. So we don't know who they do underground work now to make sure say they drive this guy enter house through this suspension.
They not fit drive and enter house. You know they their law. You know they their law.
Okay.
You know they their law.
Anyway. Me, I don't know. The thing just got to be for me. The thing, the way they sound from my ear. Because I thought that they happy. I don't know whether it really call for. You understand?
My sister, do you know why you take it like that? Do you know why you take it like that? You're there in midst of illiterate people. You know, when you are in midst of illiterate people, you will not use your brain well. Illiteracy is a disease. When you're there inside illiterate people, it's hard for you to believe other people when they educate. Because before you see educated people, you can have, if you do occasion now, you can have like 5 educated people in that occasion. Uneducated people, you can have 50. Who plenty pass now? Not be the one who not go school, not be plenty pass.
No.
Don't enter inside market now. If you enter inside market now, educated people now once you tell no. You just say this one educates. If you bring the purse come out, you go clean. If you bring the money come out, you go clean. Because the way we go take arrange and put for inside purse. The one we not there educate, you go they pack and put for inside nylon bag. That is why people they believe these people when they Facebook, all those live video presenter, they be with comment, all of them they be literate now.
And anyway, for that one, my opinion for that one is very, very different and really different. This Obama yes, when they always they talk, sister. I now go to a calculator. I can count all of the way be Obama yes for this live video. Why come this now Enogie now come loud? Even person will be Obama yesterday. When we don't say don't beat person for good what person do for her. Instead we still come out. You got they tell another person say Obama yesterday. Like as I did now, me they call you enemy Obama yesterday. Why me you don't see this person before for good what person do for me? Is that make sense? So they're not listening to themselves when they call another person Obama yesterday. Because they are the way they call Obama yesterday. He don't beat person for good. The Monica they call person Obama yesterday. He don't beat person for good. From Victor they call Obama yesterday. He don't beat person for good. Who again? Many of them like that. Where they call person Obama yesterday, all of them don't beat person for good. I don't know what thing that they come and call person Obama yesterday.
My sister, I know what you want to believe in all those people. Now, wait till one person take they fight you. Now, all of the ones use and they fight you round.
At that moment.
That school when they not go. Yeah.
Don't forget your own body. You understand? Anyway, and then they are the lifting. Okay, everything will go.
Right. At the boss, you don't see your life now. People for Facebook between say you there somewhere. They don't know say you not there anywhere. You don't get the one when you there. Now, if these people use chat, they sit down for Facebook. If they boss today, commenters go they believe them. I always tell commenters say those people don't get waiting their day. See waiting is show for your orphanage home when you not reach 50,000. But see when mama be orphanage, if they live for orphanage house, your mama na offer, you not get pikin, you not get anybody. If they shout for say, I tell you say I go drive that small pikin enter inside house. I tell you say I go drive that small. Now people carry you enter inside house. Who can carry you enter inside house now? If mama children when get papa, if they fight, if papa they come, what he go do? He go show women here one you wa. You not see you when you not get anybody, you come they cry. Oh. I will say I get papa like this. I think my papa for carry me enter inside house. Oh, you know see, you go be shame. Not be shame to you now. Is it not a shame to you? Now people say, pikin when you don't get papa, get mama. If you reach where pikin when get papa, get mama, then they fight. What did they do? You will say, I don't come out for you. I don't get papa, I don't get mama. It's not happen to me now. I'm not go see who go come help me. Now so it they be. You now, you don't get papa, you don't get mama. And fight come now. You not see somebody when carry you come up for the fight. You there for inside the fight. Only you want now come the fight. Is it not a shameful thing to you? You not get anybody. You not get anybody. People when they watch you now will say, so this man, if they do this all these days, he caught me but no fit carry and enter house. Your court me but no fit carry you enter house. Hi, even if say now osipikana you day. Even if say no konorwe na you day na ayelala you day. Ayelala no fit carry you enter house. Ije no fit carry you enter house. Ije na ohi. Almighty muwela uwa. That means that you not get anybody. It's a shame on you that you not get anybody. Hi, oh Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Even for social media, you don't get anybody. Even for this one, you don't get anybody. Like me, when my own happened for Facebook that year, when Grace go village, the people when I get say, Mama enter house. We from house, inside house, now we from. Go use police, say arrest Grace. I don't come they shout for Facebook, say I want go arrest Grace. They carry me enter inside house. They say, Mama, come, me we do it for inside house. I don't tell them say no. I don't they shout, I not going enter house. I not going enter house. I say no. Therefore, remove her from my body. Maybe Grace go they go ben like who they go toilet. You must get somebody when it go be your own. Even if they tell Enogie say enter house, Enogie get people when it day back. Anywhere when Enogie day today say they want they beat Enogie. Enogie get people when it day back. Ajebo you no get. Shame on you. You are a disgrace. So we rock back. Ayelala no fit call you enter house. Usupika no fit call you enter house. Amwelo who was no fit call you. Ebona nu where the got up, you know if he calls you, you are a disgrace. Kudos to Enogie. Kudos. Kudos to Enogie. Kudos. Now they talk, it doesn't and I don't want to make fight finish. If people carry a command for streets, Facebook na streets. Boy, people carry a command for streets. When they carry you command for streets now, you don't get anybody. Hey, you not see her. You not see her. They say when you report somebody, they say if you who go ever use this music, they post if you gay. Anybody go ever use this music, they post if you gay. Now you go put madness on our body, not children madness. You go put on our body. More they use una Benin music. Use until they do high for social media. When I don't see shame and disgrace now when you follow now. When I don't see shame and disgrace, you know, if you don't get the one when they inside, one more, maybe so, I mean, with your lawa, I mean, with your ladian, nobody, if you don't get anybody, okpa, no okpa wahia, okpa doshan, oshonpa. Person when you throw away children. Person when you throw away children. Now not the shame. Una not the shame. Person they tell person say enter house. Person go say, you don't do. So, Ajabo, you not there anywhere. Ah, my people. My people, my people. So, Ajabo, you not even there anything at all. They will say, I make you want to go do this thing with the priest that day. Want to be chairman. Am I home? Una suspend. Am I fake ba? Ona the big way. Prince, when they carry a hand like this, Prince, y'all, they never sees you. Y'all never sees you. Please get the doing hand like this. I say, bro, enter house. The day when I dress, when I wear cap, now just my normal cap, now I wear. As I wear that cap, I dey see say the signal, I dey see am for my live video. Now quickly drag the cap, I drag and go down. Then I dey secret card, I dey secret card, I dey secret card, I dey aye. May you go Nigeria, may you go see how they use knife, they cut people hand. No, now this on Facebook they say I dey aye. Even if you not reach, if don't please now they give don't please say don't please take your class, take cut millipede. You no go know where before you go say, don't please millipede. You go carry your class for don't please hand. They remove don't please head for your neck. Ah. So, Ajabo, we must have you know you were now. Oh, hey. Ajabo, you know if you take me you enter house. You know there any court is a shame. If Enogie, the court tell and say enter house, that means Enogie true they court. Ajabo, na miere lose, Ajabo, shame on you! Shame on you! Now put up for you, make come on for you. If not be inside, do it on the inside houses. Oh yeah, pass. Do it, they go. If you just don't just come on, you will just go the shout for my ear. And then because of you do live video. Ajabo. I me. I tell say I go tell Americans. If you want to use that one, take glory, oh. If you want to use that one, take glory. Disgrace the entire. Ajabo, if you want to take glory. People don't ask you say Ajabo. I be say you dey. Why you all not tell you me you enter house? Now me, I tell them me enter house because I not there anywhere. I not there any court. They tell look at me, look at house. They tell look at me, look at house. Now people come to say, we be say you dey. So you not dey. Useless man. Person when no fit take care of ordinary fowl. Fowl where they give one corn chop. At the bottom of even take care of fowl. Ordinary fowl. At the bottom of take care of fowl. Oh, fue. Can you wait that I Western? Fue. You not there anyone. You get to the say, Adebame, no get why people know for where they follow you. Often home where your mama go use chair sit down. Your mama they say what they eat, you go say they eat to spaghetti. Now your mama they chop. Oh, when I take to spaghetti where wife here you want me I got no your walk. You will come be like snake, abi will come be like what when you be you say you come be like this thing. Warm. Now, so at the bottom, my mother they describe spaghetti. Your mama when they dance, they throw away leg for party. If your mama they dance today, it be not dance rich like that. Ishan not when they from Ishan carry go America, they not dance rich at the bottom, mama. And all of the time when they go America, I don't see at the bottom, mama. May go join them. Maybe at the bottom, mama for day America. Today, if you dance today, you go open your leg. I say, we are better. From Victor to say, this woman can dance for Africa. Hey! Oh, the day, you know the shame. For you, a dumb man say, oh, I never see Benin man when mama, they sleep orphanage house. Oh, Ine. Oh, I told me, the woman don't pray. The prayer no they reach. Your mama prayer they sweet for ear. You know they reach. Why your mama prayer no they reach? Your mama prayer they sweet for ear. Your mama ekponu gwana viego na re. Ekponi agate ekponi ayonu dese ekponi afyemi na ye Everybody, why have you spaghetti for given? Obani, if you flow. I said, Mama, pray for your picking hand. Make your picking hand. They carry class. No, you bono, we go. Iya jebo, wele runi bi we. To we wa we de hije no ije. Everything we de your body. Na beggar. You wear pint to beggar. You wear ojegbeku beggar. You wear skirt to beggar. You sleep as well. Ow! I just bought phone. You are a disgrace. Oh, yeah, your bar where they won't tell me. Oh, wait, what I got? We go give you no yari. Oh, naive yo. This one will not be like that. Oh, I won't talk like don't pray. Now maybe you do look country when they France. They look country when they France. Now maybe the water when they France. When I share me out. No, give now they share out. That guy they trouble, let they pay me. It's only yaso my ya winner. My bella they pay me. You know, you know say. Share me, on allait Becky là des share. Becky where they from back the peas. You go say, Mona share me. Mona share me, I want to know by Quintoso. A Quintoso where they from back the peas. Now love na they go the wash. Mona share me. You can find share me. I say, I saw baby. You have not come to this house, you have come. Only a boni and what will say. I feel comes to this house. Now I don't please say no, he have not come. Now I don't please you want to say your wife, if they speak grammatical English. Your wife say I feel come to this and I don't please say no, he have not come. Hey, no, I want mad people. When this guy said that, he said, yeah, my wife can speak English. My wife is from Isha. He can speak English very well. Now God said, okay, let me put ear down. Let me listen to the English the priest's wife want to speak. He said, have you come to this house? Now the priest said, see me, oh, you have not come. Now the one I can see English. English when the priest they speak. Irrelevant people. I thought I said these people that be mad people. Have they come to this house? No, honey, you have not come to this house. So now say, my people, but let they pay me. But let they pay me. I will this thing. Yama people. These people matter not. They let me talk. These people matter. If you want, they talk their matter. I will come be like say, they shout on top of my voice. And I know they like to shout on top of my voice. If you want to talk, don't please matter. You go they shout. Because if you want to, don't please, if you want to talk to them in a cool way, you know they hear, you must shout. I mean, I don't get power when they shout. How long could they talk, I could they shout? You have not come here before. Now say, what's this? English? What do you call this? So don't please, do you recall that English? You have not come here before. You have come here before. You know, your madam, are you somewhere here when we go? Now what? No go disgrace Ishan people for social media. Now my sister tell say, sister don't enter house, so I don't fit. John Prince's wife say don't enter house. Very useless people. So, Ajabo, see you. So you know there any courts now when carry you enter house. You know there any I dare. People wait there they day. So no courts. Even all those juju, this fighting juju when you they go John, none of the fee can call you enter house. I can remember that year. If somebody they misbehave, people will not say now there's also time like this. Now in meeting people, take the open meeting. You also free go there. You go say they wait for the oga patakata of this meeting. You go say you know there. You go say wait. You go say now una member now I can report oh. Una member they hold me money oh. Or una member do me this one oh. You go say wait. They will carry enter inside house. If na money na their member they hold on. You go they also free count the money they go give am. Because they don't want me to go disgrace the meeting for our side. So, you know, they even see court where they carry enter house. Damn. And I'm here, who say, you don't see who carry you enter house. You are a disgrace. You wanted to come and take your glory that now you push Enogie enter house. I will say now they say you through day court. I say Enogie, oh man, they carry enter inside house. They first they carry you enter inside house. You know there anyone. Now where they now shower club of road walk 9 day. How they carry Gbiaga, they go road walk. You know they say Gbiaga no get level. Gbiaga no get level. You don't even work out they go. You see where they say Gbiaga and then every group of company where me here. How we get now Gbiaga of and then every group of company. Now Jabon I for be the manager when he did there. He go be the CEO. That we say na bile. The boss for carry first. He go they run up and down because na bile. Eric Biaga no gbiwen. Eric Biaga ni ama make. I will say Biaga when they carry that time say the true maker. You not go useless like this oh. You not go useless. If you want to take glory, oh. If you want to come and talk, say, now me push your entire house. Now me push your entire house. Now remember, collect time. Now so it they be. Now so it they be. It just be like say, as I did this country, so, I go Nigeria. Something happened to me. Once I call, just call. Lovely, what's going? I'm a patient. Please, I need a help. Now let them want to go say, Lovely, you need a help. Yes. Before you know, that now jets, now they'll come to pick me. Before you know, they don't send their embassy. Driver, they will come pick me, go lodge me for hotel. Inside the hotel, now they go carry me. Before you know, I don't dey Holland. They go come rescue me because why? I be citizen. If na America, that's how they say, if the way that they call Enogie, if he reach Benin, they go beat him. If he reach Benin, they go disgrace him. I always say Enogie say una touch him. Enogie just call this, he call America. Before you know, America go come. America go come. They go carry bulldozer. They go use and take bulldozer at those state. They go clear those state common for the surface of these heads. Say how we say they touch Enogie. Now, what is that they call him? That Yoruba guy, that one don't get Nigeria passport. Because they tell say he get Nigeria passport. Now they can still go for Nigeria today. When you are a citizen, when you have problem, the country will come and rescue you. It did their law. Now it be Enogie so. If people now they rescue and they don't feel live Enogie, they don't talk and say no. They are dealing with our member too much. Or that they fight our member too much. They even know say their member self, this saga don't tire them. They know say Enogie just they do the saga. You know, they be body, that they feel Enogie pain. Only my they feel Enogie pain. Now they can say this is what we do to Enogie. No be una stop her. Ajabo no be you stop her. Remember they feel pain. You know all these people, they don't already know themselves. Oye we agba iwe avie we agbiwe awo avie na de be. He may not get passport. Or he made 20-something years for abroad. No one. 10 years, Kata Sojourno. If na Italy, they say never won't put in. Now Kata Sojourno go there with him. Even he say, he do say, for Italy, say he go prison. And he say they don't want to give him passport. He go there with that Kata Sojourno. 10 years. He no get when he come yesterday. I we say the time when you take come at Jebo, now you take get paper. For now, you don't get passport. You never to take when you get paper. As that woman when carry you come, as that woman just give you paper. Now you just, as the woman give you paper free, now the woman got to say, okay, you don't get paper now. You go fabric and go they work. Now you got to say, no, you don't want work. You won't be babysitter for house. Now the woman got to say, the children don't already they grow. You know, sit down for house, they do babysitter with 10 years. Old child. Yes. How old when they leave those children, then when they leave those children? Those children don't almost reach 10 years. You cannot be doing babysitter with 10 years old child. 10 years old child can go to school and come back and poke it for door, open and enter. After 10 years, this useless man gets his document. That is why his wife asked him to go and work, since you have document to work. This man refused. This man said that he want to be babysitting children of 10 years and 11 years. Then the wife said that no, they are too big for that. They can no road to go to school and they can still come back by themselves. Go and look for work. Now, babysitter, if you want to do babysitter for children from 1 year, if you don't reach 5 years, you don't fit do babysitter for pikin again. He go school by himself. 5 years old child go school by himself. Image go come call him. Inside that image where you go come call him, his sister go don't reach 10 years. You go carry them go school. Now so that they do for a year. That is when he said that no, he's not going to work. Then the woman said that cannot be taking care of you because those children, they're almost 10 years. You have to go and look for a job and go and work. Then what happened? The Jabal said, no, it's not going to work. We want to continue to be doing babysitter with a children of 11 to 10 years. Those children now, they are this thing now. They are 21, 22 years now. Okay, I will say you are still with that woman till now. You will be babysitting a 20-something years old child. Then the woman said, no, it's enough. I can't continue like this. Either you go to work or you pack your things and leave my house. Then Ajabo, the option that he take, he said that he must be a babysitter. How can the man be a babysitter? Now Ajabo, I come and say, man, a babysitter. Then the woman said that you have to leave. Then that is when he find, what's her name? Vivian. Then Vivian told that, tell me, let's work is a good day. When Vivian get inside that marriage, before she know that Ajebo Enamye Yawu Efe is a no-go man. You don't have to go with men like this. Before you start going out with married women, sleeping with married women, that is why there is no meeting when he go feed day. Now he just day tell say rame why ya bomera rame why ya bomera rame why ya bomera. You know see the day when a pie Dimofi say make the matter go. He quickly run call in. He can quickly run call in. Now so he quickly run. He can't they happy say a pie Dimofi accept him. He can't they happy. I say see low life man. As a pie Dimofi just drop. He just run enter a live video. I say you see go and walk. People they fool you. They begin to they sleep with married women. Then the wife couldn't take it anymore. Then the wife shout out. Ona Soladian. Say the man that he married to, the man is sleeping with people's wife, oh, because the wife know that it's an abomination for a husband of her sleeping with married women. Another man's husband and wife. Did you see your life today? Now, who is going to tell you now? Your own court member. If your court member should leave you, you are still committing nuisance on social media. Your court, you know there any court. You know there meeting, you know there court, you know there any society. The society, and fine, and you, the society when you be there. Now, they say now prince. Prince, don't prince. Now, see you the idea that you head when it be like block when all those people carve. Now you see go open that this thing. Instead of Don Prince to look for a man that have brain. Don Prince when that big head. Only once when Don Prince don't see ever use that big head to think for in life. For in life. As Don Prince use that big head to think finish. Now he carry and go drop him for a debate table. Hoping that meeting go get head. Don Prince never know that where is taking that meeting to. That union. Say the man is error. Error of marriage, error of taking care of children, error of taking care of his own mother, error of building house for his mother, error of building house for himself, error of making himself to be a man. Now Don Prince carry union. Those are the first thing when Don Prince, I see Don Prince for social media. The first thing, the time when he enter. Now that woman when they this thing, now that when they shout in me, you go see on that tree. Lolo, 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 lolo. You do. You see say that one no answer. Oh, you can't go meet again. You can't see the saga that one. As if he finish that one, I go carry one video come out when Ajabo come see him. Ajabo say na prince. Now he draw your attention to the video. This man I see as this matter they lie. He said it's prince that draw his attention to the video that I do that is pissing him up now. That same video, he fought Mama, untouchable Mama, because of the video that I did. You see the way this man is lying. He fought untouchable Mama because untouchable Mama blocked the video that I do against Ajabo Enamye Yawuefe. That is when he have problem with untouchable Mama. Why did untouchable Mama block the video I used to send him message? And say Ajabo now is telling people that is Don Prince that draw his attention to the video that I do for him. You see the way when they lie? Now that's a video now he fight untouchable put. He know here before why he can't they fight untouchable. After he fight untouchable finish, now he can't say now Don Prince can't draw your attention to the video. This man lied too much. Your orphanage is not going to work. I see there darkness. Now darkness, now they see for that orphanage. It's not going to work. What's there? Fanta when they carry come when they press for this thing, put this thing with the spaghetti, with the cabbage biscuit. Those things that is there, those children don't need it. Those children need good education. And your mother is a delinquent. Your mother is not S-teacher. Your mother won't be S-teacher. How it they take care of children when you want to become something in future? Is your mother a S-teacher? Your mother is a S-principal? Even waiting your mother now, matron, your mother be? How can a delinquent people, they will put children under their care? How can you put children under illiterate care? How can you put children under a woman that didn't take care of his own children when they were growing up? Ajabona Meyawe said they attend secondary school because the parents couldn't pay his school fees. His mother couldn't pay his school fees. Then how can those children have good education? When the mother of Ajabo couldn't pay Ajabo secondary school fees, how can a delinquent person can they treat delinquents? They say you don't, if a mugu, an illiterate person, you know they as business acquirement for same illiterate like her. No. It go from people when be say they get something up there. See the children when they there now. See the children when they there. We supposed to hear say one of those children that they bought the house. One of those children that they bought the house. Now they going to help your mama they dry fly. Oh, I'm the boss sister. May your soul rest in perfect peace. Because at the end of the day, your sister, the job one they do for your family, now your children go see go end up. Be a conductor. Then they say first class conductor. At the bar, they say you go lie down for bench, you go they sleep. They will come wake and say, get up. He's a lazy man right from the youth. He's a lazy man. Lazy man. Those children, yeah, you know, when you go to orphanage home, you see some children, some people go to say, hey, won't put this picky for school. We go, they pay this, you go give them scholarship. You know, a lot of children get scholarship through, when they do orphanage home, through all those rich men, you know, like, not the only rich men, they train children for orphanage home. If you want to do, you can do it, you know. They'll just, okay, I will put them for school. They go there, body house, you know. But those children, they're supposed to be body house. Those children don't even grow safe because they eat spaghetti. Those children, they have been there. They say height, now they don't they grow. Those children, okay, what will be the fate of those children now? What is the fate of those children? Because the way I look that orphanage, and the Bonamiya welfare is not doing that orphanage to pull those children in a level, education level, when it go good for those children's future. If they use this to they hype itself, if they use this something to they tell people say, it get where it belongs to. But what are we talking? What do we want for those children? That is what we are talking. That is what we want for those children. When we talk about orphanage, what we want for children orphanage, we want the best for them. Then we put the best in them. Not just keeping children there, putting camera for their face every day. I think we are going to report you to government that is children abuse. Child abuse. Now they give those children. Because you people, you don't see nobody where you go feel educate una. Because you guys, you lost it up. Like me now, if I should have orphanage home, I would be putting them on air. You can do something without no air. People can give you money without not seeing who they are giving the money. Those children suppose, okay, all the orphan children, they're just there. They don't go to school. On Monday, you go see them. They go, they drive at the bar, they go, they drive in mama fly. Those children, they are house help to Adebo mama. They are house help to Adebo mama. Adebo mama, you get kani. Those children, they cannot benefit anything. Before you know, those children, they will become a street children. Because, you see, orphanage children, when they do orphanage home, then they carry some go put for body house. Yes, now so that they do. Then they put some for body house. Not be all of them go just dead there. They're not even supposed to attend the same school. Then when they take holiday, then they will meet themselves there. Now small children, newborn baby, now that they quit see for inside orphanage, like 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, because they never start school. But when they don't reach 10 years, 11 years, then they see secondary, primary school when it gets host year. Now, for Edo State. Then they see secondary school where get host year. Then they see primary school where get host year. I can remember years back. Secondary school, they have host year in Edo State, all those private school. Let one of those children, let them attend there. Not be say at the end of the day, the children will still be behaving like you as a garage man. How can a garage person be taking care of group of children? Does that really work? What kind of mentality Una they use for those children. Low life mentality. Only what he's doing on social media, they have their self. This man have never opened his live video one day and asked his useless follower, what are we going to put in these children's life? No. They don't buy books. All what they buy, spaghetti, 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 spaghetti. No books, no pencil, nothing. There is nothing they buy for those children. They are not putting good education on them. There is no education there. All they are putting there. How can you carry old woman? Put old woman for where little children that is growing up. Yasami guwenwo. Yamo spaghetti fiyere. Yahwe this is spaghetti fiyero. Go check on whether pasta day. Go check on whether tissue day. Those are the things when they put for those children here. Ajabon never bring this orphanage one day. Say the children when they will say, maybe they can't talk. The children speak good English? No, they don't speak good English. Okay, if they ask those children, okay, proceed, we want to do something. Let them take Ajabon's children to a place where children do something. Can Ajabo orphanage children, the way he say it, I have orphanage children, can his orphanage children explain themselves in public, who they are? Where are they from? How did they get to the place where they are? No. All the names say, all those useless ashawo way, it frustrates. They don't even know the meaning of children that don't have parents. They abuse them. They put them on air. No, they don't do it that way. We have a lot of homeless children. The children, they have a lot of children in different orphanage homes in Nigeria. But they don't bring it on air. The way Benin people disgrace their own people. Everything on air, Benin. Abusing children. Carry spaghetti put for ground. If they carry tissue paper go, they go pack the children put for the front. What's that? What's that? Like, for example, if I want to visit your orphanage home, you think that I'm going there with food? I'm not going there with food. I am going there with education. I will take somebody that knows something more than me. He will escort me to that place. Only 2 questions I will go ask your children. You don't already say, we can close your orphanage home. Because the way Nigeria works, that is not the way the system is supposed to be. You don't just pack children. It's against the law. Don't pack children. Somebody that don't have something in common with education. You don't have something in the place where he is. This person is not educational minister. You know, the part of education. Ajabo Namia, whoever is not anything related to education. What are you doing with children? All do people know is food. Are you kidding? Just see John Osagie, see never dry. Did you see that boy that John Osagie have? That boy, his son. I love only that one. I used to love John Osagie. The rest, I don't care about the rest. But you see that boy. John Osagie took that boy out of how many children that he picked from the streets. It's only that boy that stand education. John Osagie give that guy education that guy needed. And that guy respect John Osagie and accept that education because the guy know that he need that education in his life. We are talking about education. Like as big as I am now, sometimes now when I have appointment with those people, did you know that they still put education in my brain? They say they put education. Whoa, you are very intelligent. You are this. You are this. You can talk in public. You can explain yourself. You know? They say they use education until they fight me for this country. Because why? They know that I have it up here. All you people know you use people, children, to do business, spaghetti business, or the name of... sometimes when this man is bragging on social media, showing those children on live video, this is abuse. I don't know how will I get somebody that I will report that organization to. I think I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do that because it's abuse. It's children abuse. That is child abuse. You cannot be doing that to those children. How many orphanage homes in Nigeria, you see that they put their children on air every day, on cyberspace every day by day. Because why? One Ajebo is illiterate. He didn't go to school. When he's doing something, sometimes he don't know when it's enough. Because he don't get any idea. All the idea that Ajebo have, that is Ajebo idea of reason. Those children, they need good education. Those children don't need, whenever they carry spaghetti, go there, you know, snap spaghetti. I have never seen you people snap those children with educational visits. They'll say some people come for educational departments. They come visit those children. No. All at about they do, spaghetti Holland, they go take picture. Pasta Holland, they go take picture. Pomodoro Holland, they go take picture. That is what it put on those children's life. It's a pity. When you don't come from a home that education do not exist, no. It's over. I know where I'm coming from. I come from a home where education say it exists. Where men they get PhD. My senior brother have PhD, first class of that. When you talk about the one that senior me, second time, boy, the one when I senior, they all went to school. That is when you see some people that talk about education, look their background very well. The people that don't know education, when you go to their background, education doesn't exist there. Those children don't really deserve all those things a dog community is doing to those children on Ajebo's platform. Now, to be honest, that thing need to be cancelled. That orphanage need to be cancelled. It's a saga orphanage. It's a saga orphanage. Yes. Your orphanage is a saga orphanage. Children don't supposed to be there. Even mad people insane, people that is mad, they're not supposed to be in that your orphanage. Because there is no way they will get healed. They're not going to feel well. At the end of the day, those children that you are seeing now, they are little. Remember those children that will grow up to become a 15-year-old child. But when you don't control them at this moment, when they get to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, how you going to control them? By then, they will enter streets. You know, when you do something sometimes, think of future. When you think this is beginning, the end, think of it. Draw a map by yourself. Just draw a map by yourself. Just carry something, draw it. This child is 5 years. When you get to 10 years, just they say 10. Just for 5 years, put 10 again will be put 5 again will be 10 years. From that 10 years, put 5 again will be 15 years. From that 15 years, put 5 again, it will be 20 years. Check in future. Well, what those children is going to be in future? That is what we are talking about, not spaghetti, no. What is food? By this time, people know they're hungry again. People, they dash money for Nigeria. People know they're hungry again. No. You don't think of what those children... If I should go to Africa today and adopt child, I will know what I will put in that child. I won't just go there because I have pity of this child. I want to have this child because I feel for this child. No, I have to think what I'm going to do with this child. How am I going to stand with this child to have education that he or she need? That is what we are talking about. That is why when I see most of these those cyberspace people, the lack of wisdom, the lack of education, all they have in their brain Just to saga. Ogu they kill you, Ogu they kill you. That is what they have. That is what they have. Think. Ajabo, I'm telling you the fact. Not this one when they do. Before you know, 15 years time, those children, they don't complete 12 to 15 years. Huh? Okay, go to football. Okay. See you later. Okay. That is what you will think for those children. You that abandon your children, you don't have wisdom to take care of somebody's child. Do you see me at this moment? When you bring 4 little children to my house, I know how I will keep them. I know when they will be hungry. I know when they need my attention. I can take care of children because I've used to it. I have passed that level. Your children, you left your own blood children. How do you think everything you do about children is going to work for you? It's not going to work for you because why? You left your own. Stop being hypocrites. Stop being hypocrites. You left your children. You abandoned your children. Now you want to put something on somebody else's children's life. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Who are you talking to? Seriously? See, oh, my people, mona see, oh, mona look this, see, oh. Is this not hypocrite? This man that abandoned his own blood, but you want to trade somebody's children. Even God in heaven know that you are a hypocrite. Hypocrite. Seriously? We just keep quiet. You people, you are just doing when you come to this Facebook. That is why I run away from you people. Doesn't mean that I'm scared of you guys. When it comes to saga, nobody feel hold me for saga. Nobody. But I see the background. No. It doesn't burn out. This is not the place I want to be. This is not the place. Because I'm that kind of person. I love joke. I don't take things serious. I don't keep something in my mind. I can just say with the crazy with the man. The next thing, I'm out of there. You know? I see the background and say, no. I cannot stay this kind of place. Their illiteracy is so pissed up. They do things, they think that somebody is going to scared of them. No, nobody is going to scared of you guys. Because why? I am not from your community. I don't have the same idea with you. I don't have the same thing with you. That is why when you guys go to another place, you people so strange. Everybody just talking about you people. Nambini. You people, you are so strange. And when they are saying, they say, Bini to the world. No, that is not to the world. What they are killing you people for, what they are dragging you people for, is bad behavior. The real one that do things, you people, you don't take them to the world. You don't take them to the world. Look at the people that is bringing people all the way from Nigeria to United Kingdom. What do you do there? You put them on saga. Now 24 bit now light pass. Now JJ Barry now light pass. Now Esther Dokpali now light pass. Now this one now light pass. Thank you, my love. Now that one now light pass. You see that they separate people. The people that are supposed to bring people together, they separate them. I don't know. Because the lack of education. Education is the key of life. If you don't have one, go to the community where you are. Tell them that you want to go to school. Language school. Language school, they teach something there in language school. By that, from language school, they will teach you something in the world. From language school, they'll start to teach you something. They'll first teach you for their own country, for their own community. After their own community, they teach you from different city. After their own city, then they will go for another country. There is a school. I went there after I finished the big one. Then they took me to another one again. The one that I went last. Did you know that during the time of war, they take us there? Everything that happened, we went there. Years back. I wish I didn't go to that place. I don't know if that thing ever exists, but we dey hear am for year. Wetin happen for Germany? How people take come up from Germany? Germany, people coming from Germany can't seek asylum here in Netherlands. That is why Germany and Netherlands, they'll be like friend. Now, only Paris, nah, that man not enter. Only Paris. He say Paris now, helele. I see and they teach us. They teach us finish before they go. When the war starts, now, little students, now in right hand. You go from window, they watch, you go the right hand. They have a novel. If I not go school, I go there. When I go there to enter there, it's a lot of money. But we didn't pay. My community, Komu pay for us. They pay for us, they bring bus, we carry us, go there. Do you see it? When you go there, you see different people from different world. Different country. The food there. Pakistan, Chinese, America, people from London, different people. They put English. Some people, they translate with phone. They know they record down. You don't feel record down. Because they don't want you to take it outside. See it there and leave there. No. They just there for Facebook. The I want to do prostitute. Now they say, now you see the zuzu with, and when I get children for inside house, they shout. And about the third say, now you drive and no get enter house. No, you don't drive and enter house. Now if people carry and come on for there, now so they be. You now Jabona, who carry you enter house? Nobody. You can't sit down now. It's a shame. That is the shame those people want to put on you. They say, let us take our own come on. Maybe we'll see who you go they fight. Who you can't they fight now? If you are sitting down on social media now, doing live video now, without Enogie they reply to you. Enogie not they reply to you again. There is a shame on you. People will say, what are you doing? You yourself not say the shame, not be power you get. Because if that place when they come out Enogie for there, if they say they want to follow Enogie, fight you. Now from your orphanage home, now they go bust in from there, pull your mama out. You go enter house by yourself. If you want it red like that, they will do you. And if care is not taken, as they carry Enogie enter house, you have to quit. If not, they will come for you. If you don't know that, they will come for you. For your mind, they tell you say they follow Enogie the quarrel. Don't they follow Enogie the quarrel? They carry Enogie as their own. As waiting at the true talk. They carry Enogie enter house as their own. But if you no stop, you don't provoke them with that. When they go enter your mama body, that time you go no say, they not join you. They just put their own commands. Oh yeah, era, may I speak Bini for una? You people, Bini people, please just try to understand this Bini. Era kibae day. You go see say Ipiki day where they fight. It can never pass Ipiki go house. You go there where women now play go say women Larry they will go. You go say Papa, you buy yourself, buy something for you. Go carry and waka. You go say where they be now, what they do for them? What if they can't break your head, they can't kill you? If I not come now, you will see day here. Oh yeah, before I reach house, make sure say you day house. You have dead the go and kneel down. You know, see, if Papa can carry you come out. You now carry you come out. Nobody. That means say you not there anywhere. Oh, top Papa wedge. Not married grand you day. You know if you get anybody. A man they get somebody. Even a man, Tinubu, our president, Jagaban. As Jagaban old rich, he gets father. For your man no say Jagaban gets godfather. You think say na age now they get godfather. No be age, na wisdom. When Jagaban go see and I go say, wow, you say this little guy get wisdom. Go say, come. You go use and take do in mentor. Good evening, my love. You don't have anybody. You are just on social media shouting. Who did they talk to? You they talk to Benin people. I bet you feel say they talk to. Which Benin people you they talk to? The Benin people that will listen to you. Any amwere botono. Any amwere botono raw. Carry children. You don't even know the future of those children. I know at the end of the day, they are going to be street boys. Now you go be small children. They will become 15 years tomorrow. They will become 16 years. They will become 17 years. They will enter adults. Before they will enter adults, if you want to put camera for their face, you'll say, no, don't put camera for my face again. You'll say, they know they do good for now. See the children when they are father's home. They don't they fight me now. When they were children, you put camera for their face. They don't know. They cannot stand themselves. They cannot stood their own. They don't have word of their mouth. But when it comes to 15, 16, 17, you put camera for their face. You go say, I better remove camera from my face. You say, these children, when are they feed with spaghetti? You say, no, don't do that. Maybe if your mama still there alive that time. You say, now every day when they put camera, you say, no. Now the time when I didn't young be that. No be now. You have to have that in your brain. Illiterate fool. Illiteracy is a disease. Adebo, you cannot go school in the country where you are. Go back to Spain. Go to language school in Spain. Go and put something in your head. You are a fool. I know they feel stand you. Not since I reach your wall with that vomit proof for there. I don't vomit proof for there. Yeah. Come on for there. No, you don't talk. Somebody when you know they feel. Somebody they talk to people for social media. The people you are talking to, they are not only Benin alone. They are not only Edo State alone. Igbo is there, outside there. Different people is there. Yoruba is there. Started say, it's somebody that just say he won't talk to people. He become an irrelevant fool. You don't get brain. Ajabome, Enogie. Who they hear? How many people they hear you? If I not be say I don't dey inside Benin, I for not know waiting me. You think that now only Benin people they watch you? Are you serious? There is no Benin. They didn't grow up in Benin. They don't hear Benin language. There is some people that say, please, can you speak English? They be Benin. They don't hear Benin. Because why? They grow for Lagos. Some grow for Tonsa. Some day when they're born for America. Some day when they're born for different countries. They don't hear Benin. Then you go back to school so that if you want to talk to audience, so that you will know how to proceed. Not in a delinquent way. Rubbish. Look, see your disgrace now. Now me, I stand outside the drive and make a hater house. Now me drive and make a hater house. At the end of the day, they say, now he caught people tell us, say, make it not come out again. Which one the one can't believe? Now, is it not a shame to you that you disgrace yourself? You wanted to take glory. At the end of the day, you fall your hand. They say, now he caught people tell me hater house. You go fit drive and no get hater house. Who? For Facebook. Who? For Facebook, if you drive for no get enter house. If no just should enter house, that means now I cut people direct and say, enter house first. May go cool down. Then now, when you're caught, when you ask me enter house, you don't get caught, you don't get anything. Even the Osukpika when you day, even if you no mind when you day, people when you with a day, you no mind, they don't feel handcuff you. They don't feel talk to you. You call those things meeting. Meeting when they say they don't feel control their member. People when they that meeting, they get money pass you. Even people when they Nigeria, when they sell for inside market for Nigeria, they get money pass you when they that meeting. Or zuo, or they fool self. They fool self for here. They feel say they talk. Who you they talk to? That is why you cannot trust me. If I want to talk to you, I want to drag. I want to damn blast. I want to go borrow word say make I talk. Because I will talk to you because you be sat illiterate when you not go school. Or zuo. Or vienno zuo. Bagger. Fool. My people, may I leave you now. Now bye-bye.